Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Brenda. I like to make videos about lifestyle and wellness, so if you're into that kind of thing, please support my channel by clicking subscribe. If you're looking for simple ways to improve your life, I recommend developing a consistent morning routine. Today's video is my current spring morning routine, and I have found that making my bed first thing in the morning is a daily habit that you also can apply into your routine, especially in the warmer seasons such as spring and summer. Sleep hygiene is a thing, and I like to remove all of the blankets, duvet cover, sheets, and pillows. Then I dust off the mattress with the sheet because it allows the bed to get aired out and removes the dust. It is just way more cleaner. I struggle with sleep, and if you do too, making your bed neatly will help you fall asleep comfortably, hence promoting better sleep. Since spring is all about refreshing your space, and while a lot of us think that materialism is the way to go to achieve that, I like to think that it's actually about refreshing your daily habits. Making your bed is about setting an intention to do the little habits that help bring an organized, healthy lifestyle. Try this out for a couple of weeks and see how you feel. For some it's doable, and for some it's just simply not them. Building your morning routine needs to revolve around reachable and realistic habits that only you can truly accomplish. After I'm done making my bed, I change into exercising clothes. A tip to be mindful in the morning is to open your blinds. This is a year-round morning habit for me. Make full use of natural warm light during the daytime to create a welcoming atmosphere. Natural light will put your mind at ease and also help you relax. Since I want to get a good workout in, I skip my skincare routine and simply splash cold water on my face. I will do my skincare routine after I take a shower in the morning. Then I brush my teeth, and after I put my watch on and apply some chapstick. I head downstairs and go into the kitchen to get some water. You've heard me talk about the importance of drinking water, but to mention a few benefits, water helps flush out toxins, lubricate joints, healthier skin, weight loss, and many more benefits. If you want to improve anything in your life, drink more water. I aim to drink 60 ounces of plain water per day. Another way to improve your life is to make stretching and exercise a morning habit. Stretching in the morning can help you with joint and muscle aches. It also helps increase blood flow, which is important before exercising. An early exercise session will help you start the day off with more energy, focus, and positivity. In the warmer seasons, I like to get my exercise out of the way so that I can enjoy the rest of the day. I also aim to get more body movement in by taking an afternoon walk or an evening swim. Pick an easy exercise that is achievable for you. I like to use YouTube at-home workouts because I'm not a big gym person. So if you're like that too, go on YouTube, try some workouts, add your favorite ones to a playlist, and you should be good to go. You can exercise as little as 10 to 20 minutes, whatever works for you. But in the warmer months, I challenge you to exercise in the AM because you will feel refreshed and ready to tackle on the rest of your day. I will link this YouTuber in the description below because she has awesome workouts. After my workout, I make my breakfast smoothie. For this smoothie, I added 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk, half cup of water, 2 cups of frozen berries, 1/3 cup of rolled oats, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 frozen banana, and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Smoothies are full of nutrients and flavor. As long as you drink your smoothie slowly, you shouldn't experience that sugar spike crash effect. After my smoothie, I move on with my mindful habits such as self-affirmations and meditation. Doing this can help change your negative thought patterns into positive ones. It also helps you feel positive about yourself and boost your self-confidence. Meditation reduces negative emotions and it increases your self-awareness. It helps you be more present.
On planet Earth, breathe in, breathe out.
Try squeezing in a 5 to 10 minute self-affirmation and meditation sessions into your morning routine, because this will help strengthen your self-worth and reduce stress. After a productive morning, I head in to take a shower. Then I get ready for the day. For my outfit, I chose to wear these light wash jeans, Steve Madden checkered sneakers, and a cream colored top from H&M. My hat and jewelry is from Forever 21. At this time, I make myself a cup of coffee. To me, drinking a warm cup of coffee in the morning is a way to practice mindfulness because the warmth and scent brings you to the present. I also water my plants, and doing this is an instant dose of joy, and it is also a mindful practice. I recommend adding plants to your space to keep yourself healthier and joyful. Studies have shown that it improves your mood, boosts productivity, and reduces stress. My last few mindful habit is to journal. If you would like to improve your daily life by reducing even more stress and anxiety, journaling is a helpful tool in managing your mental health. It is good to get all of your thoughts and feelings out of your head and down on paper. You will feel like a weight has been lifted off your shoulders, and you'll feel a sense of clarity. After journaling, I review my calendar to make sure the day is good to go. I recommend adding a planner into your life because staying in control of your time is crucial for a healthy lifestyle. It allows you to make time for creative activities and will help you feel a sense of accomplishment. I also like to get a little reading in before I start my day. Even if I read 1 to 2 pages, for me that's enough. Are you willing to try any of these habits into your life? Let me know in the comments below. Well, this is it for my spring morning routine. I hope that I have positively motivated you in some degree. Thanks so much for being here. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you guys next time. Bye!